Welcome to Govelo, the UK's most innovative digital insurance marketplace, offering insurance brokers a unique opportunity to acquire exclusive access to online leads for products including business fleet. The purpose of this video is to guide insurance brokers interested in joining the growing Govelo panel through the simple process of how to register, get set up, and start accessing new insurance opportunities. To begin the registration process, start by simply browsing to the link shown on screen now. It's important to note that you will only be accepted onto the Govelo panel if you are currently authorized and approved by the Financial Conduct Authority. Begin by uploading your company logo. This is the logo that customers seeking insurance will see when reviewing any indications of premium, level of cover, and policy features that you provide to them. Now, simply provide your first and last name, along with your email address. This should be your specific email address and not a general email address for your company, as it will be used to secure your account for your use and no one else's. Next, please provide your mobile telephone number. Again, this should be your specific number, not a general company mobile, as it may be used to secure your account. You'll also need to provide and confirm a password. It must be at least 8 characters long and must contain at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and one number. Next, please provide a short biography to explain a little more about your company to customers. It's an opportunity for you to describe your company's areas of expertise, specialisms, and experience. It's text only, and you should keep it concise, ideally no more than one paragraph. Now, from the options provided, select all of the insurance lines that you are interested in, for example, fleet insurance. This is so that as new opportunities for these products enter the Govelo marketplace, we can alert you to them. Don't worry, if you want to change these later, you can, whenever you like. At this point, please enter your company's name, remembering it's the name that customers will see, and also your company number from the company's house register. We'll use this to validate your details as part of our approval process. Now we'll need your address. You can start by simply typing, and we'll try to find you via a search against company's house. If your address doesn't appear, then you'll need to provide it. Then it's time to provide your FCA reference number to confirm you're authorized and regulated. We'll use the number you provide as part of our validation process. Without this, you won't be able to register to use Govelo. Most insurance brokers will not be VAT registered, so the next field is optional. But if you are registered for VAT, you can enter your reference number here. And finally, please provide your company telephone number, noting that this is the number that Govelo will share with customers if they'd like to call you. Now, hit register, and your submission will be sent to the Govelo team. You'll receive an email confirming we've received it, and we'll move quickly to validate your application. We'll need to check your details and that you are a registered insurance broker before we can approve your account. This approval process should take no longer than 48 hours. Whilst we're validating your details, you'll also receive a separate email telling you how to find our terms of business. You'll need to download these, complete the information on the first page, and sign to confirm that you understand and agree to them. Then you'll need to send the completed document to us on support@govelo.co.uk. Once your application has been approved and we've received your signed copy of our terms of business, we'll let you know by sending you one final confirmation email. You can now log in by following the link in this email or by browsing to the link shown on the screen. Once you've logged in, you'll see a series of menu options on the left of your screen. In Manage Profile, you can manage the lines of insurance that you are interested in at any time. Note that you can only add lines of insurance here that your company has opted into, which we'll cover later in this video. In Manage Profile, you can also update your telephone number or reset your password. By default, as the first registered user for your company, you'll be given administrator permissions, so in the menu of options you'll see an entry marked Admin, which includes the option to manage users. In here you can add new and edit existing users. When adding a new user, simply provide their name and email address and select which lines of insurance you'd like them to have access to. You can also grant new users administrator permissions if you wish. Administrators also have access to the Manage Company function. From here, it is possible to update the company logo that customers will see. If you wish to amend the company's name, its company number, or its biography, you'll need to contact Cavello support. Equally, if the FCA registration number needs to be changed, then you'll need to make contact with us. But from here, you can also update the company address and the insurance lines that your company is interested in, enabling individual users to also then add those lines to their own profiles. Once updated, you'll be alerted to any new opportunities for those lines of insurance business. Administrators can also manage auction settings from within the admin menu. This allows you to control the maximum number of responses that users can provide to any individual opportunity. For example, if the limit is set to 3, then Cavello will not allow anyone to provide a fourth response to a customer's needs. You can also decide if this limitation applies to admin users as well. There is also an overriding control option here that will suspend the ability to make any further responses to any customers for this line of insurance until you or another administrator turns this back on. Lastly, it's only admin users who are able to purchase Cavello tokens for your company. And that's it. You're all set and ready to go.